What I like about Horizons workshops is that it makes learning fun. It creates an environment where these educational activities that could be daunting at home, something that the kids look forward to learning.
We get to use an interactive environment for teaching math, but we also get a lot of ideas about curriculum and games that we can use instead of just sitting down and drilling math. My daughter is young and this approach works really well for her. I think it works really well for all children. It's exciting and we're getting out in the community and we're meeting people and we're getting ideas.
I love the Horizon workshops because they give us an opportunity to get out of the house and do something different in a different environment where he can learn from somebody else who might have a different teaching style.
I really appreciate how Miss Waffle really puts her heart and soul into each of these events and really makes it personal for each grade and each child so that they can all enjoy learning no matter what level of learning they are. My boys really enjoy coming to these events and seeing new ways to make learning an adventure.